We've saved the best and most dangerous trick to last. A great trick deserves a great audience, so we headed to Packering's biggest haunted house. And word's gotten out that we'll be sawing Kimberly in half.
Stand back, Pete. We need the blades.
Oink, oink!
Pull it right out, pull it right out.
Several terrified looking children.
Yeah,
I too am terrified.
Oh, watch over your head.
that's your feet. No, we better put it back together. Okay. If you go around the front and we open the door.
Whoa!
Okay. And run.
Yay! That was so scary. I know, I was scared too.
So Andre and the Dream Team go home in one piece, and trick-or-treaters go home with big smiles on their faces. For everyone, it's a Halloween they'll never forget.